What's up, guys? I figured I'd hop on here real quick. If you're having a problem with your loader starting and it's just cranking and cranking, this might be a problem. I'm not going to cover all the other problems it could be, but if you are in a pinch, you might happen to come across this video and this might be your problem and it might help you out. Let me show you. So I'm going to go ahead and crank it, and you can see or hear it's not doing nothing. Come around to the back of the engine here and you can see your fuel shutoff solenoid here. Now what you need to do is, because sometimes the magnets in here will go bad that actually pull this in and hold it. So come around here and you want to turn the key just one click forward, just enough to where you hear your fans and everything come on. Okay, we got the key one click forward. Now we're going to push in on this and see, now it's grabbing. Come back around, start it, and there it goes. Fired right up. That's just a sure sign that your fuel solenoid, your fuel shutoff solenoid is getting ready to go. So you might want to change that. You can find them on Amazon if you look up the serial numbers on there. But from past experience, sometimes they don't come with the right connectors, so make sure you look at the connectors. The fuel shutoff solenoid will look the same, but look at the actual connector that plugs in. I'll show you. So here's the fuel shutoff solenoid. This connector right here. Look at that and make sure you get the right one with the right connector. Because if you order off Amazon, chances are you're going to get the wrong one. It's not going to plug in. And of course the right voltage. Some of these are 24 volt systems, some are 12 volt. So make sure you're getting the right one, because they can fry up pretty fast, and then you'll be in the same hole again. All right, guys, hopefully this tip helps. If it does, please hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.